Hi viewers, my name is Divakar and welcome to my channel, The Findings with Divakar. In today's video, I'll show you my 9 Mame Bonsais. All are Jade Bonsais and a few of them I grew from cutting, and I have placed them in a very tiny pot. So in 3 weeks they have adjusted to the environment. Let me just show you. So these all are my tiny bonsais, so you could see. So I'll show you them individually. So I'll start with this. So if I just talk about, this is a very tiny pot. It's made up of plastic. It is 1 inch thick and 2 inches in the diameter. So this is how it looks like from the top. If I just talk about, so this is the trunk. This is the trunk of the tree, and this is the elongated branch which I'll trim in future. So let it just grow, and I'll just keep the three branches of this tree. Then this I grew from the cutting. The pot is same in dimension, so this is how it looks like. So like all the leaves, they have wrinkles on it. I believe that it is recovering well. So this is the new growth. This is the new growth, and here also it has shown a new growth. So I believe that like within a week or so it will recover, and the housefly also has come and sat on it. So this is how it looks like. I grew this one from the cutting, that's why trunk does not look pretty awesome. But yes, this has gained health, so I let it grow in this for a while, and let's see how it turns out. So this elongated branch, again I'll trim it off. Then this one is my favorite. So this I have been growing in the shell in a tiny pot, which is 3 inches in the height and approx 2.5 inches in the diameter. So this is how it looks like. The trunk, look at the trunk. I'll just show you. Let me just hold it in a different way. So this is the trunk. It is like, I believe that camera is not doing the justice with this tree, but this is how it looks like from the top. And I'll show you this one. So this is a pretty big pot, and these are the roots. So let it grow, let it gain some health, and after this I'll just work on it. I'll try to place it in a better shallow pot. This is how it looks like from the top. Then let me show you this one. This one is still struggling with the health. It has a lot of wrinkles on the leaves, but yes, it has shown me new growth. So where my finger is, yes, this leaf. Okay, so this leaf on which I'm focusing. So this is the new growth. The rest all are the old leaves. Some have like fallen off. So now I'll show you this one. This one has gained the growth. It has become pretty big, and it has grown out of the shape, so I do not know what to do. I am thinking like how I should bring it back to the tree looking like structure, and I grew it from a cutting, so that's why the branch, it looks pretty thin as of now. So I'll show you this one. Yes, this one. So the same pot, and this how it looks like. It has also grown a little wide. I'll just trim it down to the size where it looks like a bonsai tree, and so this is how it looks like from the top. And one more tree I'll show you. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the last one. It has just gained health. I have tried to wire it, so I did not do a pretty good job. I know that in wiring this this plant, but yes, what I just wanted to achieve, I have achieved. So I have tried to give it a S shape. So I have got it. It has shed most of the leaves. I believe that now it has started gaining the health. So this branch, it had 3 leaves till yesterday. Now it has only 1 leaf. I believe that it would grow more leaves. So these are the trees on which I have worked. So guys, if you have the comments for me, please do share. Thanks for now. Bye.